Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Try it yourself. Today I will have a review for you for this VIZIO Smart TV model V505-J01. I guess gonna say why yes or why possibly not for you. So first of all, the price. This is 50-inch TV you can get for under $300, or maybe at least it was, I paid for this one $298. That was the price. Another one, this smart TV has 3 HDMI inputs, and this is sometimes could be critical for some people. Like in my case, I have a DVD player plugged in, I have a gaming console plugged in, and one extra for something else. Most of them, of the competitors, if not all, have one or maybe two. This one has 3. So that's the good stuff. Another one, you have a whole bunch of pre-installed apps, and most popular ones, you know, like you can see the YouTube, Paramount, Hulu, Netflix, Peacock, a whole bunch of TVs with the free channels. You even see some of those on the quick access buttons right here, right on the remote control. Really nice. But there's always but, and the but is because this is compared to others cheap TV, some of the apps are not missing, and the but potentially big for some of you. You cannot add any apps to this TV. Whatever pre-installed, there's no access to the Google Play, or if you use an iPhone, you cannot add. Another option how to get around this is basically, if you have iPhone, you use AirPlay. If you have a Google device, you use Cast. So I don't know how critical it is for you, but for example, for me, this TV doesn't have the, for example, ESPN application, and I cannot add. But how to get around this? You click on the app, and then Cast. You choose the TV that you want to cast this to. Family room in my case, whatever, you're gonna have a TV, and you have it on your screen ready to watch. Click, and right there. So that's how to go around this inconvenience if you don't have the application. You actually can even close the TV, or the phone is still going to be going over there, you know. That's what's going on right now. So, and to turn it off again, stop casting, and you go back to home screen or whatever. So I don't know how critical this for some of you, and I don't know what apps you will be missing in this, but if you are looking for TV like this, just keep in mind that your favorite app might not be included in the pre-loaded applications with this smart TV. Other than that, TV is pretty nice, and the reason again why I bought the VIZIO, because my previous TV lasted me 16 years and still was working. I just had a few burned pixel strips on the monitor, and obviously there wasn't a smart TV, so I went with this one, and up until now I was very happy until I discovered that it doesn't have the ESPN app installed. But I think I can live with this problem with the help of my Android. By the way, if you're interested in this TV stand, the Swivel, see how easy it is, super solid and easy to turn at the same time. You can find the link on my channel to see what that look like and how to put it together. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to shoot a like and subscribe to the channel.